So here at Global Pumps, our mission is to solve tough challenges. It involves carefully understanding what the problem is and suggesting better ways of doing it and better types of equipment for that application. And it involves us coming up with various innovations that might not have been done before.
I guess what makes us quite unique is that we're a smaller family business that thinks outside the square.
In the early days, we were supplying all sorts of pumps, no matter what you wanted. Over the years, we have been less and less all things to everybody and more a specialist pump company with the vision of solving difficult problems and becoming a trusted advisor.
If the project is quite large or if we have concerns or queries that another team member might have expertise in, we're really about collaborating with each other and producing a solution for a customer that is absolutely ideal.
We found there was a need in the marketplace for someone that could respond quicker with the right type of product rather than being limited to one specific brand or type of product.
Everything on this side is pumped, and then over the years I've dealt with a lot of pump companies, and maintenance is the biggest issue. We do a lot of our own maintenance, but it's always good to have those people out there with the expertise. It comes down to service. Any issues I've had, I've brought the salesman out with Nigel's, been very good. Even Kevin SEELEY, the boss, has come down here. That's something you can't pay for. It's not so much the pump and its application, because everybody can do that. It's having the stuff on the shelf. So Global will hold pumps on the shelf for me, which is just unheard of nowadays. So brilliant, really good.
One of our major points of difference is our response times to our customers. We love it when we're helping them to meet their KPIs.
We provide exceptional service by exceeding the customer's expectations, along with having a full team of engineers and product specialists to provide technical support before and after we have sold a product.
At Global Pumps, expert advice is something we pride ourselves upon. We're certainly not a company that is everything to everybody. However, we are experts in our field. We have access to knowledgeable people overseas as well that help us. We have mechanical engineers working for us, so they're also very helpful when it comes to designing the right pump for our customers.
We've obviously chosen Global through a selection of pump suppliers. We looked at both things, price and service. Service has been their number one key for us. We love to have a relationship with the company that we're dealing with. It's important to be able to understand who's on the other side of the phone. Berenberg would love to continue the relationship with Global Pumps.
Family-run businesses are very focused on the relationship that they have with the customer. So a customer is part of the Global Pumps family. You're cared for, you're respected.
Being a small business, we're flexible enough and can make decisions on the run, and we can cherry pick a certain brand of pump or type of pump to add to the package that just complements what we're offering.
At Global Pumps, we have products that are of the highest quality. Our core product, like Slurry Pro, magnetic drive pumps, Technoflow, our drum pumps and our hose pumps are all top-line products that come from reputable manufacturers out of Europe and the United States.
We train our staff to know about our products and how they operate and where they fit, and we listen to what the client is telling us, and then we come up with a solution and we stand by that solution, and we won't walk away from it. So they know that they can rely on us to solve their tough challenge.